Hey friends, today I'm sharing the ChalkMade Carrot Patch Kit. This kit includes everything you need to create this adorable springtime project. So I am going to start off by first cutting my transfers. You can cut those apart before you use them, and then you'll see I'm also going to mark the back of my transfers, and this is so that once I wash my transfers I know exactly which backing to put them back on, so it just makes it a lot easier when you're cleaning up. So once I have that all done, I'm going to pull out my trays and my paste singles. You will use all of the orange, but not all of the black, so I didn't squeeze all of that into the jar. And then I'm going to take a paintbrush and kind of dry brush on the box a little bit, just to kind of give it a little bit of a, I don't know, a little bit of a weathered look. And I didn't do the back side of the box because I'm not sure if I'm going to use this box for another project in the future, so I left that alone. And then you'll see it comes with the fabric carrots. There's 5 of them, so you have to decide, do you want 2 plaid or 3 plaid, or how many you want in the floral. So I decided I'm going to do 2 of my carrots with the plaid. So I just put that transfer on there. I'm going to spread the paste all in this along my silk screen, and this fabric will soak up a lot of this paste, so you want to make sure you cover your screen completely. And I'm not washing in between uses, I'm just carefully placing it back on there. And you see I missed a little spot right there, and I just fixed that up, no problem. And then I'm going to move on to the floral carrots. Now you'll notice on maybe 1 or 2 of those, I kind of had the silk screen maybe a little bit to the side, so there's a little bit of an edge where I didn't get the transfer on there. And that's okay, because once we put this together and we roll these carrots, you can just cover that right up. You can kind of see it on that one a little bit. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to clean my surface so that I don't get any orange chalk on my box. And then I'm going to chalk that adorable carrot patch sign. I just love that. So I'm going to use the black for this. And this goes on super easy. Just make sure that you get all those tiny parts of the silk screen. You'll see I kind of missed a couple of them, and I went back and cut that one. Oh, and then there's one more. And then look at that. I love that. It's so cute. So now once the box is done, we are going to assemble our carrots. You want to make sure that those are absolutely dry. Oh, before I do the carrots, I'm going to do those cute little round tags. One of them says bunny bait, and the other one says 5 cents. I love the little details on this kit with these adorable little wood tags. Look how cute those are. So you'll see I used all of the orange. I didn't use all of my black paste. I did not squeeze all of it into the tray. So what I'm going to do is put tape on the edge of that, and then I can save that to use on another project. So like I said, I want to make sure everything is absolutely dry. And then once all of my fabric pieces are dry, it comes with these adhesive strips. Now these are a little bit buggers to put on here. So what I have found is that once you put the tape along the one side, use your nail and really press that into the fabric to get the adhesive to stick. And that way, when you pull up the adhesive, it doesn't come with you, it stays on the fabric. So once you do that, then you can stuff your carrots. And yes, the stuffing does come with this kit. I told you everything comes with this kit to create this project. So now I'm just going to put the little greenery on the top, tie some twine along each one. Those are so cute. And it does come with little rubber bands to help hold those closed before you tie the twine, but I just didn't use those. I just omitted that step. And then you'll see 2 of these. I added those little round wood tags, which are so cute. Just make sure you don't fill the stuffing all the way to the top so that you're able to tie your twine on. And then once I do that, I'm just going to kind of ruffle up the greenery a little bit. And then you'll see here in just a second, I'm going to put this all in my cute little wood box. So cute. I put a little moss in the bottom of that. That's the only thing that didn't come with the kit. So there you have it, the little carrot patch kit. I just love this kit. You can find this on my website, chalkcouture.com/24 Olive Street. Thanks for watching.